Peace be upon you, everyone. Today I'll show you how you can edit audio in Adobe Audition. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin.
After logging into Adobe Audition, we add the audio recording by pressing Ctrl-I on the keyboard. Then select the audio file. There is something important you should know. When recording audio, you must leave an extra 3 seconds at the beginning of the recording so that the program can identify background noise and your voice. Next, select the remaining 3 seconds and press Shift+P. Then select all by double-clicking the mouse and then pressing Ctrl+Shift+P. Then specify -20 on both sides. Then click on Apply. Then we go to Effect and select Filter and EQ. Then Parametric Equalizer. Press Default. Select the Loudness Maximizer option from the menu. Then click on Apply. Then select Effect again. Click on Amplitude and Compression. Then Dynamics Processing. Grab the white dot and locate it in the -10 area. Then click on Apply. One last time we go to Effect, click on Amplitude and Compression, and select Normalize.
We specify dB and write -0.60.
Then click on Apply.
After all this, we get this result.
هذا الصوت قبل التعديل وهذا الصوت بعد التعديل.
Thank you for watching the video. See you in another video, God willing.